What are you doing?
I'm drawing on me.
Are you a coloring book?
I'm not coloring book.
Then why are you coloring? Why are you coloring on yourself? What did Mommy tell you we do with markers when we color on ourselves?
On a paper.
Where do they go, though, if you don't put them on the paper?
On my leg.
No. Where does the marker go? Where is it going to go? In the trash?
No.
Then you better stop drawing on yourself. Jessie Madison, look at Mommy.
I make a circle.
Well, you can make a circle on your paper, not on yourself.
Oh my God, my gosh, oh my God.
Are you a good girl or a bad girl?
I'm not bad girl.
You're a bad girl?
I'm not a bad girl. I'm a good girl.
Tell Daddy what you are.
I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl.
Are you a pretty girl?
I'm a pissant. Just that.
Who loves you?
I don't need that.
No, you can't, because then Mommy can't see. Who loves you? Who loves you? Who else loves you?
She just my pet.
What are you?
I can see. I did. That's my finger.
Are you going to drive your car?
I'm doing my feet.
You're-
This is Christmas. Turn Jesus on.
Turn what on?
Turn Jesus on. No. No. I don't want it. No. 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 No.
Are you mad?
I'm mad.
What are you mad at?
Mommy.
What did Mommy do?
No. 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 No.
Do you need to take a nap?